Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. How are you all? Hope you are doing good and staying safe. Welcome back to our channel MedSeekers. If you are interested in our videos and if you really like our content, please do subscribe to our channel. It keeps me motivated to make more videos. Hope you are having a happy learning watching our videos. So what can you expect from this video? I'll be talking about Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute, Kerala. What is their MPH program, how many years it is, and application process, eligibility criteria, and how to prepare for entrance exam. And already the dates are out for 2021. I'll be telling you all the dates and how to apply. What is the fee structure of Masters in Public Health program? All this you can expect from this video. If you are interested, do watch. So first let's start with the dates. Already notification is out, as I told you earlier. It is out at 15th March 2021. Last date to apply is 15th April 2021. Admission process, it's very simple. You have to visit the official website of Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute. I'll be providing a official website link in the further slides. You can go to the official website and you can apply, fill the application form, enter all your details and pay the application fee and download the application form for your reference. So what documents do you require to apply for Masters in Public Health program? You need passport size photo. Please note this point, with white background, not a clumsy background. It should be white. An authentic document to prove age, because they have age limit to apply. And if you belong to SC, ST category or OBC, you require caste certificate. Whichever category you belong to, you should have that category certificate. If in case you are employed, you should have no objection certificate. In further slides I'll be mentioning about eligibility criteria. If you are an MBBS graduate or DNB or MSc or nursing, you should have registration certificate. You will be registered with particular state council, right? That registration certificate is mandatory. You should have all the above documents I have mentioned. One is passport size photo and one more is your caste certificate and registration certificate. All these three are mandatory. Before applying, make sure that you have all these documents with you. From my side, there is a note to all of you who are interested to apply. Please download application form after filling the application. Many students don't download it. It will be really very helpful for you at the time of your admission. Sometimes they may ask you to provide application form, so that it will be helpful for your reference. This is the official website to apply for Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology. If you are interested, go to this particular website and you can apply. Application window is open. One important notice: download online payment receipt, application form, and all these documents are required during your time of admission. So please keep a note of all these documents. Coming to eligibility criteria of Masters in Public Health program in Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology. Who are eligible to apply, who are not eligible to apply? Who are eligible? The MBBS graduates, dental graduates, graduates of Ayush, Yogic Sciences, Unani, Siddha Medicine, Homeopathy, or BTech or BE from any branch. Can you read it clearly? Here you can see any 4-year degree programs in veterinary sciences and nursing sciences and physiotherapy, occupational therapy, B pharmacy. All these UG degrees are acceptable. Please make sure before you apply you are clear with eligibility criteria and what other degrees are acceptable. See here, postgraduate degree in statistics, biostats, demography, population studies, nutrition, sociology, economics, psychology, anthropology, management of law or anything is acceptable. But please make sure it's not UG. UG of biostats, UG of demography is not acceptable. They are accepting postgraduate degree. All 3 years degrees are not acceptable in Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology. And one more point I would like to clear here is work experience is desirable. It's not mandatory. Suppose if you are a freshly passed out MBBS graduate and you want to pursue your MPH, and you don't have work experience, it's okay. You are, even though you are eligible to apply, there is no problem in that. It's just desirable. Hope you are clear with eligibility criteria. Any doubts regarding eligibility criteria, comment and let me know. Here I want to remind you once more, check the eligibility criteria properly before you apply. If you have observed clearly, 4 years degree is mandatory in the respected UG disciplines. Experience is not mandatory, it's just desirable. How many seats are available for Masters in Public Health program? General category have 13 seats. EWS category, economically weaker section, they do have 3 seats. OBC category has 6 seats. ST category has 2 seats. SC category has 4 seats. PWD has 1 seat. Hope you are clear with seat availability for Masters in Public Health program. Date of entrance exam is 8th May 2021. Reporting time they have mentioned very clearly in prospectus, it's 9:30 am, and interview date is 10th May 2021. Hope you are clear with these dates. How to prepare for entrance exam, all I'll be telling you in a very simple strategy. First, one point you have to make clear is it's an all India entrance exam, so there will be a huge competition. First point, you have to be very clear of entrance exam syllabus. Second point is that you have to solve the previous year's question papers. Lot of previous year's question papers of Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute are available in Google online, you can check it. They will ask mainly questions from basic English, preventive and social medicine, logical reasoning, maths, aptitude, all this, and a basic general knowledge. If you cover all this, it will be helpful for you. And in my further videos, I'll be telling how to prepare, what are the strategies you have to use to prepare for Masters in Public Health program. It will be helpful for you, I guess. So when you are preparing for Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute, make sure you are clear with these 3 points. First point is that you have to be very clear with entrance exam syllabus. Second one is you have to definitely 100% solve all the previous year's question papers. Then you will get an idea. Here is the fee structure I have mentioned for 2 years for Masters in Public Health program. Application fee is 1,500 for general category students, and when it comes to SC/ST category, it's 1,200. This is all the fee structure for 2 years course. You can go through in detail. They have mentioned clearly in the prospectus. Coming to placements, Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology, they don't have placements, but remember one point students, it's an institute of national importance. I guess in India it is the first institute who started Masters in Public Health program initially. Many students who have passed out from Sri Chitra Durga Tirunal Institute of Medical Sciences and Technology have placed very well. So think about it. If you are interested, do apply. Any doubts, comment and let me know. Thank you for watching MedSeekers. If you liked our video, do hit that fat like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you all next week with another video. Have a happy learning, students.